Hello students, as you know that we have completed chapter 4 growing up as boys and girls, class 7 social science. Today we will revise this chapter with the help of some MCQs. I will ask the question, you will guess the answer and then match your answer with correct answer. At last you can share your score with me by writing in comment box. So let's start with the first question. Very easy question. Which one activity was not associated with the Samoan children in the 1920s? In the chapter we discussed about Samoan children. Samoan Islands, they are the life of the people, and we discussed about children's life in 1920s. We compared the situation in Samoan Island with Madhya Pradesh in 1960s. So children were engaged in fishing, planting coconuts, playing cricket, looking after their siblings, means sisters and brothers. Which one activity was not associated with these children? Not associated. C is the correct answer because they did not play cricket. They used to do fishing and planting coconuts and other works with their fellows and their parents, guardians, looking after their siblings. So C is the correct answer. Question number 2. At which age group girls also went on fishing trips? Options are option A 13 years, B 14 years, C 10 years and D 16 years. So it is not about exact year but approximately or the average age of the girls 14 years, and after that the girls used to go for fishing trips in Samoan Island. So 14 years and after that. Question number 3. The Samoan Islands are part of a large group of small islands. These are the large groups of small islands, Samoan Islands, known as Samoan Islands, in the southern part of the Indian Ocean, southern part of the Pacific Ocean, southern part of Antarctica and Africa. So the correct answer is these islands are situated in the southern part of Pacific Ocean. B is the correct answer. Come to the next question. When was the Domestic Violence Act passed in India? Domestic Violence Act was the story of long struggle of women by women, and after this struggle they got this kind of law for the protection against the domestic violence by their male members, husbands and others. They are tortured physically, mentally, they are beaten up brutally. So this is called domestic violence, and against domestic violence they are protected by this act passed in India 2002, 2004, 2005 and 2006. So correct answer is C. It was passed in 2005 and implemented in 2006. Next question is question number 5. What was the purpose for setting up Anganwadis in several villages? Some of you have seen Anganwadis. These are situated in the villages and they are adult education centers, child care centers, health care centers or yoga centers. So correct answer is child care centers. Children of younger ages, right? They come there with their parents and they have given with some items, delicious items. So these are the Anganwadis situated in several villages, and this is the main purpose of child caring because these are child care centers. Next question. What are the main responsibilities that lie with women? According to the predictions of the society and the thinking of society, what women have to do. Looking after the family, women are considered for looking after the family. They are supposed to look after the house, they are supposed to cook food for the family, and all of above. Definitely you all of know that D is the correct answer, all of above. Why the wages of the domestic workers are very low? Domestic workers, the wages of domestic workers are the people who work in the homes, different houses, cleaning, cooking, washing, etc. So work done by them are lesser in value. They do unpaid jobs, there is not much demand of their work, none of these, because they do the work has lesser value, right? So due to this they are paid less wages or less salaries. A is the correct answer. What do you mean by the term double burden? Double burden means dual burdens. Working inside the house, working outside the house, both of are called double burden. So both A and B are double burden, means this is the correct answer, C. Come to the next question. How the provision of creches helped many women? Option A, helps women to take up employment inside the home. Helps women to take up employment outside the home. Both A and B, and none of these. So the correct answer is B. Helps women to take up employment outside the home, because in these creches some children are kept for means playing, and they are kept safe for their amusement, enjoyment by these women, so they get employment outside the home. B is the correct answer. Last and final question. How are domestic workers treated by their employers? They are treated very well. They are having facilities of elite class, means good facilities like higher classes, and they are often not treated well. None of these. So C is most appropriate. They are often not treated well by their masters or by their employers. Domestic workers are treated not well often, not forever, not all times, but often they are not treated well. So in this way, dear students, we have discussed 10 MCQs, and keep revise this chapter by watching the previous videos and revise this video also. Thank you. Have a nice day.